Alright, so this is your IELTS speaking part 1. So let me ask you some questions about teachers. Do you want to be a teacher in the future?
Of course, I'd like to be an ideal teacher in the future because teaching is an honorable occupation in the world. Everybody loves and respects a teacher. That's why I prefer teaching profession.
Do you have a teacher from your past that you still remember?
Definitely, I remember my college teacher who used to teach us English and inspired us very well.
Next question. Are you still in contact with your primary school teachers?
I'm afraid I'm not in contact with my primary school teachers anymore, but I still remember them.
In what ways has your favorite teacher helped you?
My favorite teacher has helped me in different ways. Whenever I used to share my problem, he came up with the solution.
Last question. Do you have a favorite teacher?
Certainly, I have a favorite teacher, Mr. Hilaluddin Khan. He always encourages me to do something better for human beings.
That's fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.